Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna do oil change in this nice car, Honda Civic car. Are you ready? I'm ready. Pop the hood. Something in here like a lever that you can slide to open the hood. Oh, ugh, sorry Doug. This is so heavy. Small girl like me? I don't know. Good? There. Perfect. This one right here, loosen this up and then pull this one just to loosen the vacuum. This wheel chock, put this wheel chock behind the wheel of the car so it won't slide or move backwards. Secure, really good. We're jacking up the car, and find your jacking point and jack up the car. Like there's a metal art down here that you can put this thing and then you do it. Support it with a jack stand right here where it's metal. Now do the same thing to the other side. Both are up, and just you can leave the jack there for extra support. Yes. Ah. Now, next would be you have to remove all the screws that's holding the belly pan. Oh yeah. Now we have to loosen this thing. I already loosened all the other ones. And close this. Uh-oh. Any minute now. There you go. So everything is, all the screws are gone. You can just slide this one down. Put it here. So this is the oil filter, and this is the plug, and then we're gonna loosen it so the oil can come out. There you go. So now I'm gonna loosen this to get the oil out. There you go. Ah. Thing right here, I put it back, close it, tighten it with this one. This way. Oops. Oil filter wrench. We're gonna use this to open this oil filter here so we can drain some more oil. Okay. You stop it. I'm gonna get a little messy here. Hi. Got it. The new filter. I'm gonna put I'm gonna dab a little oil in the rubber seal right here, so it will, in that way it will seal really good here. Perfect. And then put the new one back here. Tight. Hand tight. Just snag it a little bit with a wrench. Make it more tighter. Now we open this and we add oil. Somewhere. Keep this oil here. Where's the? It's about right there. Now I'm checking if you have the right amount of, if I have the right amount of oil, and it looks good. Put it back. See, that's how you do it. Then check, just turn the engine on and check for oil leaks down here, and then after that you can put back the belly pan on. Thank you.